Okay, this is the AP Microeconomics free response question number 2 from 2016. And it's a lot of marginal analysis here. Letter A says, what is Martha's marginal benefit of the fifth good of unit X? So when she gets the fifth good of unit X, she goes from 4 to 5. Her increase in benefit is $1. And then calculate the total consumer surplus if Martha consumes 5 units of X and show your work. So if she consumes 5 of X, her total benefit would be $41. The cost of purchasing 5 units of good X, since they're $4 per unit, would be $20. So that's how you would get to $21 of consumer surplus. Letter C, Martha is currently consuming 4 units of X and 2 units of Y. Use the marginal analysis to explain why this combination is not optimal for Martha. All right, so what you'd want to do is show the fourth unit of X. Okay, the fourth unit of X is an increase of, and I'm going to do it down here, of $4 in benefit. And the cost of that good X is $4, so it's $4 of cost. So that's basically 1 unit of benefit per dollar for good X. For good Y, when you get the second unit of good Y, you're seeing an increase of $8 of benefit, and the cost is $2 per unit. So that is 4 units of benefit per dollar spent. So the optimal combination is when these are equal, but right now we see Y is more than X, so we would want to increase our Y. And then letter D, what is Martha's optimal combination of goods X and Y? Well, it ends up being 4 units of Y and 3 units of X, because she has $20 to spend, and we could go and look at 3 units here. As she goes from 2 to 3, that's a $6 increase in benefit at a cost of $2 per unit. And so we're kind of looking for, okay, where's that 3 per dollar spent going to be the same. I'm sorry, this is for Y. So as we're going for Y, we go from 3 to 4. It's an increase of $4 of benefit per $2 spent. So it's a 2 unit benefit per dollar. And we're looking for that same thing. Like, okay, where is that? Well, good X is $4 per unit. So we're looking for something where it's an increase of 8. So I see an increase of 8 here. So it's an $8 increase in benefit with a $4 expenditure. So it's 2 units of benefit per dollar, and that's where they're equal. So that's going to be my best combination. And you can look and make sure that you're spending the entire $20 there. And then letter E, indicate whether each of the following will cause the optimal quantity of good Y to increase, decrease, or stay the same. Well, if the price of good Y doubles, our ratios are not going to be the same anymore. So that would be decrease for that one. Because instead of maybe 2 units of benefit per dollar, it would be 2 units of benefit for $2, and it wouldn't be the same any longer. For our second part, Martha's income falls $10 with no change in prices. Well, then her consumption is going to fall as well, so that would be decrease. She's just not going to have as much money to buy that combination anymore. And then the third one, if her income doubles and the price of both goods double, our ratios will remain the same, and her optimal quantity of good Y would stay the same.